and the body's pushing back because it doesn't know where
Always.
you're going. So it's trying to trip you up because you're trying to take it to a new destination.
No, you're taking it to the unknown,
Right.
and it's so comfortable.
It's the unknown.
It's so comfortable being unhappy. It's so happy being unhappy. It would rather cling to the known than take a chance in possibility. And when the person finally understands that, that's what it is. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how young you are. I don't care the color of your skin. I don't care what you eat or don't eat. I don't care how sick you are. I don't care how in shape, out of shape. I don't care if you've never even meditated before. People who have never meditated before some have the best results because they just say, tell me what to do. I'll do exactly what you tell me what to do. I don't care about any of those things. That if you do that enough times, you're dragging the brain and body out of the past. And that's what the present moment does. The body's clinging to the familiar. So you take it outside the known into the unknown. You make a new choice and the body goes, hey, you've been suffering for 35 years. What are you going to do, just give this up right now? The body is the mind. So the body starts influencing the brain and the mind and says, come on, quit. It's your mother's fault. Your parents got divorced when you were young. You probably didn't eat the right food yesterday. I need a brain scan. Something's wrong with me. It's my ex's fault. My kids are driving me. Yeah. Think that thought. You're going to make that same choice to quit. Do the same thing. Recreate the same experience. Feel the same emotion. People say, this feels right. No, that's familiar.
We're addicted to that familiar pattern, even though it doesn't help us. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year's going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm gonna tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone. Also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline.
I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up.
If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you gonna do? What's the choice that you're going to make?
It's conditioned.
Right.
It's conditioned. So then stepping out into the unknown, if you're living by the hormones of stress and survival, which most people are, the unknown is a dangerous place. You hang out in the unknown, you could be prey. So it's better to cling to the known than to take a chance in possibility. But if you teach people, and this is the cool part, you stretch them. I've done this, I've seen this thousands of times. Just where they think that's it for them. They say, okay, I'm good. If you stretch them a little bit further than them, they stay with you. And you stretch them out of the known into the unknown, that's when the brain changes the most. Just when you wanted to give up, you go one more time. that's the moment the brain changes. And when they go out into the unknown and they realize nothing dangerous happened, nothing scary happened to them, they live through it, they relax more in the present moment, and they get happier with themselves. And self-love is born when we overcome the old self.